Hello guys, Mehul back here with another new video, and today I have a site that is basically an aggregation of different kind of design tools, and it has some of the dev elements as well. Okay, and it's differentiated into tons of categories that it has. Okay, like we have suppose uh, illustrations, icons, mock-up kits, books, and a lot of other things. So let's just get straight to the site because rather than that, what else I will show, right? So let's roll out the intro. So here is our today's site, that is tools.design. Okay. Now in this site we have categories of design tools. So we have inspiration, illustration, icons, stock photography, typography, learning, blogs, books, remote tools, dev tools, even accessibilities and all. Okay, so there are kind of new categories that I am seeing right now that I really like remote tools. I want to know that what remote tools that they have under their category. We have collaboration and whiteboarding tools, that is Miro, FigJam, Milanote, Mural, Mural. Yes, it's Mural. I have never used it, so this is something new I get to know about. We have Pictor, Ditto, Markup. There are tons of things that I am seeing for the first time. Like I don't know what about you guys. Do you know like all of those things? I really don't know. I'm seeing those for the first time and will be using it maybe. Time zone tools. So actually, time zone tools is really important, really important thing that I have like figured out, because right now I obviously deal with foreign clients, and for that like scheduling meetings and all, I use currently zcal or zcal, whatever you wanna say it. Okay, rather than calendly. So it kind of like arranges the time for both of the parties, but in general if you want to like know the time zone difference, or like what should be like a great uh, time zone for both of you to collaborate, that will be a great thing to know by this. I think if I click on timely, I have never used timely. Okay, so yeah, never worry about zones again. Colleagues abroad help timely. So this is a PWA. Wow, that's all of those things. That's great. I don't know how it works and how they manages time, but maybe somehow. Then we have video communication apps. That is Makespace. We have Makespace. I have never heard of it. Makespace. So actually, there is too many. Oh, Makespace is another tool that is like what I would say, Tilde Rosso, or yeah, I have actually featured ton of tools like this before, but I can't remember all of its name. There is Thursday, that is kind of similar but different. It's for fun. There are tons of others. Then we have project management, and that's it. So yeah, those this was all of it under one category. So likewise we have all of the other categories. Like in inspiration, I was like going through the inspiration, I only use Behance and Rebel rather than the sites that are showed over here. I have never ever used them. I don't know that this many of site actually exist on the first place to get inspiration. Like really, here I can see another. Okay, so let's say something banner. See, see, there are tons of examples of banners. and tons of examples from like our everyday using side. Like we use Google Meet a lot, so we knew how it looks. I have view like I have seen Possible. This is GitHub, so those are really everyday apps that we can see over here. Here is buttons. So I never, actually didn't knew that those all of those element actually, all of those sites actually exist. Then we have web design example. Yeah, I know about OS words, but HTTP star, HTTP stars. I don't know how you wanna call it. Something came into my that I wanted that I really want to share. Don't wanted to share. So okay, okay, you know what came into my mind, why I'm reading what while I am reading that. Okay, so there are tons of other websites that I can see, so I will be obviously checking them out because yeah, those are great. Why not, right? Yeah, this thing I have like showed you before, Lapa Ninja is great. So yeah, there are tons of sites like this, tons of tools like this. Actually, it is possible to make a video on each of the tools that they are featuring over here. Like if you want me to do something like that, let me know about that as well. Okay, like obviously I will not show you the regular websites, that is like the popular ones, Behance or Dribble, Miro, Figma or Figjam. I will not show you all of those, because but I will show you the like kind of a unpopular one, or obviously those websites I don't know and I find useful. If I find useful, I will obviously show them to you. So yeah, that's it about this whole site. Get like give it a try yourself, then you will know how it is. Like I find it really cool, and the UI of the website, I have to give them like 100 or 100 for that. It's so cool looking it is, right? So yeah, that's it for this video, and if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel, because many of the viewers aren't even subscriber. So please subscribe, and if you know about some of the great aggregator resources like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future video as well. So bye for now.